Okay, now imagine that we're trying to represent information about a number of user accounts of some kind. And each account has an account number and a name associated with the account. So when we think about that, one form of data we could use is something like this list. It's a list of accounts. Imagine that there's a defined struct for account, and each account has the number and the account name. Something kind of like this. So the account with number 1 has the name ABC, and the account with number 4 has the name DCJ. Now, in order to fit more accounts on the screen, I'm just going to change the way I'm showing this here a little bit. Underneath, I still want you to imagine that it's a list of make account, make account, make account. I'm just showing it this way so that it's a little bit more compact. So this 1 ABC here is analogous exactly to make account 1 ABC here. It just lets me put more accounts on the screen. Now, if we decide to represent the information about an arbitrary number of accounts this way, a data definition that would support that is this one. What we're saying is that there's a defined struct called account. It has 2 fields, num and name. And instead of calling this list of account, I just decided to call it accounts. I could have called it list of account, but I'm just using a different name, and you'll see in a couple of videos why I chose to use this name. So accounts is one of either empty, or I'm going to cons a make account onto accounts. So there's the self-reference right there. And then each element of this list is a make account where the num is the account number and the name is the person's first name. And as you usually do when you have a data definition, we've got some example data. And I'll leave you to double check ACS2 against this type comment to make sure that it exactly matches it. So there we go. There's one cut at representing information about a number of user accounts with a number and a name. Just to make sure you understand this representation of that information, what I'd like to ask you to do now is to do this little problem. It's an HTDF problem, so it'll probably take you a little while to finish it up. But please finish it up before going on to the next video.